My understanding of this sign of the last day, you know the 10 major signs. I'm not going to test you tonight, so you get away. Number 1, Dajjal. Number 2, Gog and Magog. Number 3, the return of the son of Mary. Number 4, Dukhan, smoke. Number 5, Dabbatul Ard, the creature, the beast of the land. Number 6, that the sun will rise from the west. Number 7, 8 and 9, 3, Khusuf, plural of Khas, an earthquake, shaking of the earth and sinking down. One in the east, one in the west, and the third one in Arabia. You had one in Tamansuri, UK a few years ago. And number 10, that the fire will come out of Yemen and drive people to the place of assembly.